Look at that perfectly tender flaky salmon and green beans with that harissa honey glaze over them. Oh my goodness, and that took 9 minutes. Took me about 60 seconds to put it together. Welcome into Taylor Kitchen, where we show very busy people how to make very delicious food in very little time. And today I have a new workhorse in the kitchen, and it's gonna help me achieve those goals in short order. It's my new Cosori Turboblaze 6-quart air fryer, and this thing is so amazing, and I'm going to show you how amazing it is by putting together a dinner that will take us roughly 20 minutes, and it will include dessert. So stick with me, and I'm going to show you some great features that this Cosori has. I'm going to make one of my favorite things, salmon, and salmon is perfect for the air fryer. Really, chicken, steak, salmon, so many things are perfect in an air fryer. And I started with, this is coho salmon. Now, if you wanted to use a farm-raised salmon or a fattier salmon, that's fine, but coho is a really nice, naturally caught salmon that's just so delicious. And I'm gonna make a quick glaze for that that's also gonna go with green beans. And these green beans are right out of the freezer. So I'm just gonna make some for Honey and I tonight, for Tim and I. And this is harissa. Harissa is a Middle Eastern roasted red pepper paste. It has a little bit of spice in it, a nice amount of kick, but it also has tons of flavor. It's just absolutely delicious. I can eat it by the spoonful. It's that good. And then just to balance the harissa out, I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. So you've got a lot of flavor, a lot of savory, a bit of spice, not a lot, but just a bit. This is a mild harissa actually, and just a little bit of honey mellows everything out and just give that glaze a stir. And for my salmon, I'm going to treat it very simply with some salt. And I want to spoon some of this harissa glaze over the salmon. And the same for the green beans. A little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and then the harissa with the honey. So, so, so good. And really any veggie you want to use would be fine with this. If you're more of a broccoli person, you can do that. And all I need to do is put this on a piece of parchment paper. There's my salmon. I'm going to lay it right here. I'm going to give those green beans just a little toss. Then I'm going to put them right beside the salmon. Don't want to waste any of that sauce. So it's going to go over everything. And then we just need to put it into the basket of this Cosori Turboblaze Air Fryer. And I've already preheated this. Place it in the basket goes right in. And one of the great things about this is it has so many different settings. In the turbo settings, you can air fry, you can roast, you can broil, and you can cook things from frozen, like these green beans are frozen. It also does really unique things for an air fryer, like it will proof your dough, it will reheat things perfectly, and it will even dehydrate. So we're going to set it on a temperature of 390, and I'm going to air fry. It's already selected, 10 minutes. I'm going to take it down to 9, and then that is it. And it will beep at me when it's done. While this is cooking away, let's get started with dessert, which is simple, warm chocolate chip cookies, freshly baked. Now, you can use your cookie dough of choice. I'm going to use my homemade sourdough chocolate chip cookie dough, which the recipe is linked on tkfoodie.com. And then you can see how easily you can also whip up your dessert in this air fryer in no time at all. And we'll be dining deliciously. Very delicious food for very busy people in very little time. Do I deliver on my promise? We're ready. Ooh, that looks spectacular. Look at that perfectly tender flaky salmon and green beans with that harissa honey glaze over them. Oh my goodness, and that took 9 minutes. Took me about 60 seconds to put it together. I just like a sprinkling of sesame seeds over it all. It just gives it a nice little pop of color. Perfect. And set this aside while I move on to dessert, which is chocolate chip cookies, sourdough chocolate chip cookies. And these were made while this was cooking, actually. So I'm going to put 2 rather large scoops right here. Ooh, those look good already. And I tend to think chocolate chip cookies need a sprinkling of flake salt. Do you agree? Just tops them off so beautifully. Okay, these go back into the air fry basket. Clock's a ticking. Seriously, tender, flaky salmon and that harissa honey glaze. Man. And the green beans with the same glaze. I'm telling you, those are spectacular. And if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps out our channel and we so appreciate you. Leave a comment and let us know what you want us to make on Taylor Kitchen and tkfoodie.com. Yes, check us out at tkfoodie.com. Cookies are ready. Oh my goodness. Y'all, is there nothing like a warm chocolate chip cookie straight out of the, what? The air fryer? Mm-hmm. Look at this. So I'm gonna link this Cosori Turboblaze Air Fryer below because it is such a kitchen helper, and you saw how quickly this delicious meal came together with the harissa honey roasted salmon and those green beans, and don't forget a homemade chocolate chip cookie. Or if you want to pull a cookie dough of whatever kind off of the refrigerator shelves like Snickerdoodle and just bake it in here. It makes it so easy to have a delicious dessert paired with your dinner. We usually have dessert on Friday nights. But anyway, this is a time saver. Definitely helps me with those goals to provide very delicious food to very busy people in very little time. So check this Cosori out. I will link it below. Cookie time. Ooh. It's nothing like a chocolate chip cookie right out of the oven or the air fryer. Check this easy recipe out. It's on tkfoodie.com. Oh, man. You've got to check out this Cosori Turboblaze Air Fryer. It has a 5-star rating on Amazon. People are loving this. And if you click that link below, you can check it out for yourself. And it doesn't just air fry, it bakes, it roasts. You can make hard-boiled eggs with this. You can make cookies, as you saw in this. You can do all kinds of things. It even dehydrates. So definitely worth checking out. I'm absolutely loving this and love the 6-quart capacity. So click that link below and see if a Cosori might be in your near future as your next kitchen helper.